How to turn off USB debugging on any Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can turn off USB debugging on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, launch the settings in your device. So in order to turn on or turn off your USB debugging, make sure that you have enabled developer option on your mobile device. After that, you have to head over to the developer option. So for that, scroll down a bit, head towards the system. Here under system, tap on developer option. So under this developer option, you have to scroll down a bit, and under debugging there is an option as USB debugging. Now to turn it off, toggle off this option right here, and the USB debugging is turned off. So that's the way to turn off USB debugging on any Android device in the developer option. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.